Hello friends, welcome to my channel Being Chemistrian. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon. So let's start. So now we will discuss the Pople notations, and first we will discuss about Pople notation for one spin system. That is, we will get one signal. For every molecule we will get only singlet, and how many protons are correspond to that one singlet will be given the number n, and we will based on that n number we will have different Pople notations. So in the first example, that is CHCl3, we have only one hydrogen, so we will get only one singlet in the NMR spectrum. So we get only one hydrogen singlet, that's why n equal to 1, and we have Pople notation A1. Similarly for CH2Cl2, this hydrogen, that is 2 hydrogen, will only get one signal in NMR spectrum. That's why the Pople notation will be A2. Similarly for A3, we have 3 hydrogen singlet, so A3. For this A4, we have 4 hydrogen singlet, that's why A4. And for this A5, we have 5 hydrogen and all hydrogens are equivalent, that's why we will get 5 hydrogen singlet, so the Pople notation will be A5. In benzene ring, that is also all hydrogens are equivalent, so we will get 6 hydrogen singlet, so the Pople notation will be A6. Now for the tropylium cation, we have 7 hydrogen attached to carbon atom, so this 7 hydrogen will give a singlet and we will have a Pople notation A7. Now if you see this molecule, we have 9 hydrogen, and 9 hydrogen will give one singlet signal, that's why the Pople notation will be A9. Now come to the 2-spin system, so the notation will be ANXM. We can also interchange that, we will see in the examples. So the value of N and M will be based on multiplicity of the two signals. So the first entry, entry 1, so the 2 and 3 correspond to number of protons. So if you have CH2, CH3, if you see the example, this will give a quadret and this will give a triplet. So the signal 1 will be a triplet and signal 2 will be a quadret. So based on that, we have this chloroethane, and for this also diethyl ether. So we will get, this is symmetrical molecule, that's why we will get this 2 proton for quadret, and for these 3 protons we will get a triplet. Now come to the entry number 2, that is this signal will a triplet and doublet. How we will get? And the Pople notation will be A2X or AX type. So we have 1 proton and 2 protons, that's why CH2, CHO, you can see these 2 proton will give a doublet and this 1 proton give a triplet, that's why triplet doublet. And for this 2 proton will give a doublet and this 1 proton give a triplet, because this is symmetrical molecule. So we will see only left hand side. Now come to the entry number 3, that is the signal 1 we will get a triplet and signal 2 for we get a triplet again. So this is A2X2. So this will give a triplet because of this neighboring proton. This is not symmetrical, you can see this attached to chlorine atom and this is attached to bromine atom, that's why these two are chemically non-equivalent, that's why you can see this is triplet and this will also give triplet, that's why A2X2 system. The A2 correspond to 2 protons also, this X2 also 2 protons, and both will give triplet. And similarly if you see this molecule, there is a symmetrical relationship, this you can see, this is a chemical equivalent, non-equivalent, and this is also chemically non-equivalent. And if you see the triplet, we both have triplet because this 2 proton will have 2 neighbor protons and these 2 proton have 2 neighbor protons. Now come to the next entry, that is the entry number 4, we will get doublet and quadret. So doublet quadret means we will have a system A3X or AX3 type of notation. So if you see the example, that is CH3 CHCl2, so this is nothing but if you see this CH3 hydrogen will give doublet and this one hydrogen will give a quadruplet. And for this example you can see there is a symmetry, so if there is a plane of symmetry here, so this proton will give quadruplet and this 3 proton will give a doublet. So for this the Popover notation is A3X or AX3. Now we will move to entry number 5, that is with triplet with quintet. Now in this example if you see the notation is A2X4 and A4X2, both are similar. So if you see this molecule, that this CH2 will give a quadruplet, sorry not quadruplet, that is a quintet, because 4 protons are neighboring protons and this 4 hydrogen, that's why X4 is written. So this 4 hydrogen will give what? A triplet, that is triplet is mentioned. So this 4 hydrogen triplet and 2 hydrogen quintet, we will get 2 signal, that's why AX system and 2 hydrogen and 4 hydrogen. And for this 4 hydrogen and this 2 hydrogen, so this is similar to this, you can see 2 hydrogen quintet and 4 hydrogen triplet. We will discuss the magnetic non-equivalent system. So this is 2 signal, this molecule will give 2 signal, 2 spin coupling system, we can say ANXM. And the multiplicity, if you see, this will give a doublet and this will also give a doublet. So in case of orthodichlorobenzene, if we consider only orthocoupling, that is the coupling system will be AX, but in presence of metacoupling, you can see here the metacoupling, that is this proton and this proton are meta to each other, this proton are meta to each other, that is metacoupling. So in presence of metacoupling, due to the magnetic non-equivalent notation will be AA prime and XX prime. The proton with same chemical shift, so this proton will have same chemical shift and the coupling constant is only vary, that is this will be orthocoupling. So for orthocoupling we will get 8 Hz and for metacoupling we will get somewhat 3 to 3 Hz or 2 to 3 Hz for metacoupling. For this molecule also we will see that these 2 protons are magnetically non-equivalent due to metacoupling. So the Popover notation will be AA prime XS prime, and similarly for this molecule. Now we will discuss the 3 spin system. If you see the 3 spin system, the notation will be AMX, because this A is different, this M is different and this X is also different. Now if you see this A, this will couple with this is, we know this is very easy, this is vicinal coupling and this is also a vicinal coupling, but this is a cis coupling and this is trans coupling. So the J value will be different, that is magnetically non-equivalent. That's why HA proton will give a doublet of doublet, and that is 3 correspond to, that is 3 bond, 1 2 3. So JAM means J, that is coupling between these two, AM stands for these two, A is notation for this proton and M is notation for this proton. So coupling between 3 bond distance coupling and AM, this is cis coupling, that's why 12 Hz. Similarly 3 bond distance coupling AX, 3 bond 1 2 3 and A and X, we have 18 Hz. Similarly we have for HM we will have cis coupling and vicinal coupling and also geminal coupling, that is 2 Hz you can see. And for HX also we have doublet of doublet, 2 Hz you can say geminal coupling, and 3JXA, that is 18 Hz for vicinal trans coupling. So this is for 3 spin system.